Hello, we'll continue here the noble gases. Ramsey-Rayleigh second method. As we were discussing in Ramsey-Rayleigh first method, it's time-taking process. Method is very easy, but it is time-taking process. So in order to avoid the time wastage, we have a system here that is Ramsey-Rayleigh second method. Very simple one. Here, a round bottom flask is taken. You can see in the image, round bottom flask. It is taken in reverse, so you can see the opening is downside, round bottom is upside. You can see it is having 5 holes. From one end, you can see there is sodium hydroxide inlet. From other end, sodium hydroxide outlet. And the two black color lines, you can see they are platinum loops. Okay, they are for the electricity purpose, to send some voltage into that. We are using their platinum loops. And from the middle one, we are going to send oxygen and air in a ratio of 11:9. So let us see. Ramsey-Rayleigh second method, a large flask of 50-liter capacity is fitted with a 5-hole rubber cock. 2 platinum electrodes are introduced through 2 holes. 2 long tubes for the circulation of sodium hydroxide solution are introduced through other 2 holes. In the 5th hole, a long tube is inserted for sending a mixture of dry air and oxygen in the ratio of 9:11. You can notice here, when you compare with air, oxygen is more. Air 9, oxygen 11. An electric discharge of 6000 to 8000 volts is then passed. As a result of this, nitrogen of air combines with oxygen to form NO. N2 plus O2 gives rise to 2NO. You can see there. This NO will join with oxygen to form NO2. For this reaction purpose, we are sending oxygen excess. 2NO plus O2 gives rise to 2NO2. We know 2NO2, that is NO2, nitrogen dioxide, what is formed here, is acidic. This acidic oxide will join with sodium hydroxide, which is a base, to form sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate. Here you can notice one more point. NO2 is a mixed anhydride of HNO2, HNO3. Nitrous acid, nitric acid, mixed anhydride is NO2. That's why you are getting here NaNO2 as well as NaNO3. So sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate are formed, which are removed with the sodium hydroxide outlet, what you are seeing there. So nitrogen and oxygen both are removed. Our intention is to remove the nitrogen and oxygen. It's gone. If any excess of oxygen is remained, that can be removed by using pyrogallon. The remaining gas contains a mixture of noble gases with small traces of oxygen. When this is passed through a solution of alkaline pyrogallon, oxygen is absorbed, leaving behind a mixture of noble gases. As we know, if you want to remove the carbon dioxide, we need to use KOH, and it can be easily dried by using drying agent. This is Ramsey-Rayleigh second method. One more method we have, that is Fischer-Ringges method. In Fischer-Ringges method, dry and pure air is passed over a mixture containing 90% CaC2, calcium carbide, and 10% calcium chloride, CaCl2, which are placed in an iron tube heated to 1073 Kelvin. That means a huge temperature is given. At that high temperature, calcium carbide joins with nitrogen to form CaCN2, calcium cyanamide, and C. C is graphite, or you say coke. Calcium cyanamide and coke combination is called nitrolim. Remember this. This is a very important question. CaCN2 plus C is nitrolim. This calcium cyanamide, CaCN2, is to remove the nitrogen, and whatever the coke is formed here, the coke absorbs oxygen in the form of carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. If carbon monoxide is formed, further it is oxidized to carbon dioxide by using copper oxide. See the next slide. The carbon monoxide produced is removed by passing over cupric oxide. Cupric oxide is reduced to Cu, and carbon monoxide is oxidized to carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide can be comfortably removed by using KOH solution. As we know about KOH, KOH is base, carbon dioxide is acid, it can comfortably remove. The remaining mixture is dried over concentrated sulfuric acid or P2O5 before the mixture of the gases is collected to